Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on cTrader. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because select right here the account that you want to use for yourself. Then after that we click here on all symbols and now we search right here for XAU. Then you will see right here XAU to US dollar. We click on that right now. And if you're looking to the chart, you can also see right here that the market is closed right now. But I can show you exactly how you can create yourselves a position on gold, because if you click right here on new order and we select right here buy limit, fill in right here the entry price, and we can fill in right here the quantity. So right now, if I'm doing a quantity of 1.00 lots, this means that we create ourselves a position of $502,000. That's a lot, but I'm using a demo account, so that is for free, where I can show you exactly how to do things, and I'm not risking something. But if you're doing this with a live account, scale down the lots, or when you are rich, keep that on 1 what you want. For example, I keep it right now on 1. Then we select right here stop loss if you want to do that, because now we do on risk management, and this means that when the price goes 100k down, he will automatically close or trade. So I want to enable that to do on risk management. And if you click on place order, normally he will automatically create or sells the position, but the market is closed right now. So now it's just standing here in orders. So when the market goes on, so right here you see inactive. So it starts in 2 days, if I'm honest. Then he will automatically create the position of gold for you. So this is how you can buy gold right here on cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.